Hello Wisdomers. In this class, we are not going to understand any C programming concept, but we are going to understand whether or not to use an AI tool for writing programs in this course or not. So our suggestion is not to use any kind of AI tools for writing programs in this course. Not only for this course, our suggestion is to not to follow any kind of AI tools for the basic courses of computer science and engineering. In the first 3 semesters of our curriculum, we are going to cover all the basic courses that are related to computer science and engineering. So once we complete all the basic courses, so whenever we reach our specialization courses like web programming, data science and artificial intelligence, cyber security, whenever we enter into those specializations, then the use of AI tools is mandatory. But whenever we are in the basic courses of computer science and engineering, we suggest you not to use any kind of AI tools. How it is beneficial? So for example, we will understand with a real world scenario. For example, if I have given an assignment to write a program to find the largest of 3 numbers using ternary operator in C programming. So what you will immediately do? So if you go to the AI tool and ask the same prompt, it will give you the entire program. Okay, so by seeing this program and copying this program and using it in your compiler, you'll get the answer. But what you are going to lose, that is very important. You are going to lose the ability to think logically. Once you lose that ability, as you go on with your semesters, slowly you will not be able to, you will get dependent on the AI tools. Slowly you will lose that ability to think like a programmer. Once you lose that ability, it is very difficult for you to cope up as you go on with the semesters. So that is the reason why we are not suggesting you to follow any kind of AI tools, at least for the basic courses. So when to use, how to use, we will discuss in the specialization courses. Okay. Now, how it is going to impact on your career. So that is very important to understand. If you get dependent on the AI tools, it is going to have a direct impact on your career. So how can I say that? How can I say that is, in this AI era, the companies are expecting you to think like an architect, not to think like a programmer. As the complete logic related to the program is provided by the artificial intelligence, there is no need for you to write complex programs on your own. But you should have the ability to think like an architect. For you to think like an architect, you should have hands-on experience on writing almost all the logics on your own. Then only you will be able to understand the concepts. Then only you will be able to think like an architect. Without having the hands-on experience on writing all the complex logics that are there in the computer science, you cannot think like an architect. Once you get dependent on the artificial intelligence tools, you will lose the ability to think logically. So that is the suggestion that we are trying to give in this video. So we request you not to get dependent on the AI tools for this course or for the basic courses of computer science and engineering. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next class.